Introducing Very Easy BIM, a single platform for MEP coordination. Here we have a fresh BIM model containing structure, architecture, and MEP services. Let's start with Clash BIM clash detection. Using a 20mm tolerance, it identifies hard clashes directly from model geometry. Now that we have detected the clashes, we can navigate to them individually, or select all of them and run BAMROC to automatically resolve the clashes within our platform. The clash resolution process now begins on the server, where BAMROC analyzes the model and resolves clashes without creating new ones. After the clashes are resolved automatically, we can now navigate through them one by one and validate the result. Let's focus on this zone. In the original model, these duct systems were clashing with each other. By making minimal changes within the zone, BAMROC is able to resolve the maximum number of clashes while maintaining the overall design of the MEP system.
But what if you're not satisfied with a particular clash resolution? In this example, BAMROC moved a single duct system and resolved multiple clashes involving both ducts and pipes. However, you may prefer a different coordination outcome. Simply select that specific clash pair, click Reject, and run BAMROC again. BAMROC will then evaluate the model and try an alternative resolution approach. This time, BAMROC leaves the duct-to-duct clash unchanged. Instead, the duct-to-pipe clash in the same area is resolved by moving the pipe system.
This is Very Easy BIM, one platform for clash detection and automatic clash resolution, designed to run on economical machines and reduce hardware costs by up to 70%.